Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you are facing issue with the CAPTCHA one while claiming your credit. So when you try to click on I'm not a robot, the CAPTCHA is not showing you and unable to submit. This is happening because a lot of people are accessing the platform for completing the skill badges, claiming the credit. So that's why you might be facing this issue. Do not worry. It's transient. It will be updated and fixed shortly. As of now, what you can do, you can complete all the arcade games. And if you have any other skill badges, so in the meantime, what you can do, you can complete the arcade game, because you can see here, if I just click on it, the CAPTCHA is not working. For some people, it might work. So if you're having any existing credits, you can start doing the skill badges. Let me just show you the resource. In the description box, the master sheet is there. From here, you can access the monthly games also like this. All the monthly arcade games are here. On the left side, all the games are there. Right side solution is there. For skill badges also, pre-assessment skill badge sheet you have to open. Left side, all the badges links are there. Right side, all the solutions are there. If you want a new sheet, we have updated a new sheet also. Around 30 plus skill badges are live. And these are latest tutorials. So like this, you can complete it if you are having existing credits. As of now, you can focus on the arcade games which are live currently. Okay. So which are live currently, just complete it. Do not worry, you'll be able to claim the credits once the issue is resolved. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.